Hey guys, today I have a matching Amana, which is built by Whirlpool, washer and electric dryer. And right now I've got it set up on normal, regular. Over here we've got the water level set to deep water wash, so we'll get full submersion on those clothes. And then I've just got it set to a cool, so to use both hot and cold water. It is filling up, so right now it's sensing how much water to put in here as it goes along. So this is pretty much a load of all towels. And what I have here is I have a little lid lock bypass, because typically that would have to be in this and it would be then locked and you wouldn't be able to open this up as it gets started. But since I have that little bypass, I can show you what's going on as it moves along here. Now this will take a few minutes as it senses how heavy this load is, how much water it needs to use, so it'll kind of stop, start, agitate, and then continue to fill up till it's completely sense that it's got enough water and ready to go. Then it'll switch over to wash and it'll be on the actual wash cycle. So you can see it's adding a little bit more water now. So I'll come back once it's all the way full and it has actually started into the wash cycle. Okay, and we're back and it has decided it's using enough water, switched over to the wash cycle. I'll show you what that looks like. As you can see in here, and it's doing an excellent job getting started with the agitation. Kind of vortexes those clothes down in and around the fins on the bottom as well. So there we go. Next, I will show you that it drains the water out like it should. Then it'll move through the rinse cycle, and then I'll show you the final spin cycle that's nice, smooth, and sounds great. Then when it's all done, we'll move over and show you the dryer. All right, it's running the drain now, draining out that wash water. Next, it's gonna fill back up with clean rinse water. Then once it drains that out, we'll be on to the final spin cycle. Okay, and we're back. Final spin. You can see, spinning those clothes out nice and fast. Excellent job. And then once again, typically, wouldn't be able to lift this up. This would be locked. As you can see, it's spinning nice, smooth. Sounds great. So I'm gonna let that finish up, getting the max extraction of water out of those clothes. Then we'll move over to the dryer. All right, guys, we've got the washer cleaned, cleared out. It's good to go. Now we have the matching electric dryer. We've got it set now, running time dry, high heat. You do have a cycle signal here. You can switch on and off. That's great if you have pets or kids. You can turn that off. Otherwise, lint trap here. And then you have some different options. You can pause and check it out, but automatic, you can just kind of set it and forget it. Otherwise, a lot of times I just set it on heavy duty and let it rip. You also have an air dry option down here as well. So I'm gonna show you, if you can hear it right now. It's running, nice smooth operation. It sounds great. I think the rain on the roof is probably louder than this thing actually running. I'm going to show you that it is heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. We've kind of seen these things a little more now recently. 71 degrees on the top of the dryer. If I shine it on the concrete floor, it's a little cooler down there. So what I'm going to do is open this up. You can see that it's tumbling. Lights on. Now here's the heating element tube. So the heat pumps out of this tube right here, which will in turn heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 95 to 195. But the heat becomes heating elements kind of back behind here, comes up, circulates, and then out right there where the lint trap catches the air on its way out. So that's how this works here. And as you can see, working perfect. So go ahead and close this back up. And we just push start. That's it. We'll go ahead and get these two listed up for sale. Now you know everything on them works perfect. Get all the details in the listing description. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks. You guys have a great day.